Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of the brand new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So this is the standard pack, and if you guys are into action cameras, you're definitely going to love this one. So without wasting much time, let's open this up. Okay. Whoa. So yes, here we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Again, it's the standard pack. So let's open this one up. Come closer. Okay, let's first take a quick look at the packaging. It's a small, neat, clean design product. It has the image right in the front, and there's a warranty card. And at the back, you can see the specifications. And you already know that this is going to be something special. We have the plastic wrapping on this one. So I believe that it has the WhatsApp number, so there's a QR code and you can scan for the support. It's a 1-year warranty with the bill. We'll keep this aside for now. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. It has a label, the sticker over here that says open. So I'm going to open this one. Okay. So we can see we have the I thought okay, wait. This itself is the Action 5 Pro. Okay, before getting to this one, let's see, we have a warranty card. Okay, wait, there are a couple of other things. Oh, we even have a DJI sticker. I didn't know this one's cool. This one's pretty cool. We have a DJI sticker. We'll probably have some manuals, and that's it inside the box. Okay, so basically we have the cards and few manuals, and this is how. So this is surprising. I thought this would be inside the box, but the DJI, the camera itself is outside. And let's open this one up. Quite compact and quite handy. It does have a rugged surface. I'll come to this one later. We'll come to this one later. I'll keep this aside. So we'll first check the accessories box. I think it has few things over here. Remove the camera before separating the quick release adapter mount from the accessory is what they have mentioned. They have some DJI Care refresh and some details over here. But for now, let's just open this one up. Oh, so here is the quick start guide. Yeah, this one is the quick start guide. There's some silicone balls. We have a it's a Type-C to Type-C charger. So we have a charging cable, and we have the case. Okay, so we have the screw to tighten, and this is the mount. This one is the mount. Okay, so this is a sticker mount. You can actually stick this. It has an adhesive. You can remove and stick it somewhere, wherever you like. And this one is the magnetic attachment, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it is magnet. It does stick. Just sticks. Perfect. And you can mount this anywhere you like. You'll have to buy separate stands if you need. It doesn't come with the standard combo. If you need the mount, you will have to purchase the adventure combo. You can buy separately. So you have this, and this. Okay, now coming to the battery, you have one battery, and this is the case that is available. This is the hard case. I'm happy that they provide this case along with the standard combo, because this is very handy. It will protect your Action 5. So now let's talk about the star of the show, the DJI Osmo Action 5. First impressions, it feels solid, premium and ready for adventure. Now DJI has gone with a rugged design and it is waterproof up to 10 meters without a case, and it's also dust and shock resistant too. So tighten the lens protective cover before taking in water. You have the Action 5 Pro written over here. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Now here are some of the features that stand out. It has a 4K 120 FPS video for ultra smooth slow motion. It comes with a 1x1.3 inch sensor. Now that helps in incredible low light performance. It also comes with a 10-bit color depth for cinematic color grading. It also has a RockSteady 3.0 stabilization. Now this is DJI's best yet for buttery-smooth footage. It also comes with dual screen, front and back, both are touchscreen. Now this will help for vlogging and framing, for getting your perfect frames. And yes, it supports voice control and Wi-Fi live streaming. Okay, I'm going to set the date. It does have a good sound effect. I mean, I'm already in love with the sound. (8:31 a.m.) Start. So, shutter button or record button. Press 1 to take photos or record. Press and hold to enable snapshot when camera is powered off. Swipe left or right to change shooting mode. Okay. Tap to view photos. So this option is to tap to view photos and videos. This is to record. And here we have an option to adjust the image and audio parameters. So here we have tap and hold to, this is the zoom, digital zoom. So here we can see the battery. Here if you tap, you can check the battery. So it's 42%. And that is it. Let's see the front cam. Say hi. So the battery promises up to 160 minutes of recording at 1080p. Now, I bought the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro from Amazon for almost about 30,000 Indian rupees, including offers. So that's it for the unboxing. I have purchased this as early of 2026. So that's it for the unboxing of the DJI Action 5 standard pack. I'll be testing this beast in the real world conditions, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and do turn on the notification to have a full review of the DJI Action 5 Pro. Also drop your questions in the comments. I'll try to answer them in the next video. Don't get nervous. Okay.
What should I tell?
Say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
And please do like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.